Hello everyone, welcome back to channel 2023. Let's go! First video for 2023 that I'm shooting actually in 2023. The last one was shot before the end of the year. But anyways, welcome back. How's it going? If you have not yet, please smash and boer and skop and donor that subscribe button and like button. You're missing out. If you're not here, you're missing out. This event tonight is at Pardon Island, somewhere in Muscle Soft Road, wherever it is. But it's Unity and Diversity. There was another event like this, one a little bit small, but literally JP Smith himself was part of it, because it was the whole stance is not a crime type of vibe. So the people are just pushing on that. So what is happening is, this is technically the same spirit. So we're going to have an event with more or less the same spirit. We're going to meet up some guys at Wembley. If you don't know, Wembley Roadhouse is a very popular like takeaways in the Athlone area. So we're going to get some guys there. Hopefully, you know, just a few guys we're going to drive through, because I don't want to drive through alone, and I don't mind if there's just a whole lot of boys just pulling through, because it is very lekker when you convoy. Anyways, let's go. On my way to Wembley. Yeah, it's almost there. It's almost there. Almost there. We wait up here a little bit at Wembley now. There's a couple of us here, not all of us are here. But yeah, here's out to the golfing. And Mr. Lexus 007 himself just pulled up now. Yay. Okay, so we're gonna leave here in about 5 minutes or so, and then go to the spot. Whoop, yep. See, that's uncle, yeah. At the spot now. Not a crazy lot of folks here at the moment. Still very early though, of course. And the guys are here already. What's up? So my guy, just gonna pull up. Let me just go quick rounds. What's up, buddy, my guy? Lekker, brother. Purdi. Right? Expected to fall. That is mad. Chicken, for you got a branch on it. Chicken. Branch with the intake. Hey, deze. Mas ek ging 'n glas wat jy wys ouens, wat jy wys. Klaar gewas, jy bring jou wat toe man. Yes, aspers. Oh yeah. Petersen. Oh hey bro. Yes bro, shot man, thanks. Alarms are going off now. Oh yeah. That's gonna start getting full now. Yeah, baby, watch your face. Give a pull for the boys, eh? I'm just gonna shoot that corner. Look extra low, maybe. Like you turn that down for the barrage. Yes. Yes, please. Here comes the donut. Now people are just figuring out where to stand because this parking itself isn't a very big parking. So most of the guys are now pulling up on the sides. We're gonna go around there and get the guys on that side because I haven't been there yet. But it's getting dark now, so it's getting to a point where it's gonna be like a just everybody just chilling. Okay, let me go to Moist Media and look at this man with the tripods and everything. Check it.
What's up, man?
Moist Media, Ibrahim with the eye. And then with the Teshness. Also with the tripods today, my bro. What you might say? Yes. Okay, one wait for the third one to come and there's gonna be a combo.
All the way down.
Okay, through or something. Come in here. RB power. My people, yeah. Tagay. Okay, name my guy. Yes, I walk all the way. I walk all the way, my bro. Oh iya, say pan. Turn it down, man. Turn it down. Boy, let's go. That's commitment. Oh yeah. Yes. Do it again, my guy. Listen, do it again. There was a fat flume, my guy. No more flame. Oh yeah.
These things are the softest.
Mr. Ryan, daar staan hij. Lekker weer Ryan, man. No, don't use my voice like I'd let you go out to call like 2 sentences. Bah, weg maar. Ja, no. Check la lagis, bra. Shoo. This motherfucker. Yeah, hey bro. What you face? Lady shut the light through, huh? Fucking hell. This thing look mad, boys. Check out, man. This thing look red. I'm gonna sign out. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Because it's getting a bit rowdy. It's getting a bit rowdy. But it's just dark. It's just very dark. All this Brasadure pictures. I'm out, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah. That's the place. Man, trying het sleur al mee. I must use the light from other cars. Hey! Hey! Oh shit, let's go! All the way around, all the way around. Still going, still going. Whoa! Wow! Andi parking! Oh shit! Oh shit! Give a paar ribs there for the boys, my buddy. Paar ribs for the boys. Hey, man, put that shit on. Now it's really getting like everybody's leaving now, so I think I'm gonna go. Maybe 10 minutes because the brass had a fat burnout all the way around here. Go see this man, go see this man. Comes in now. Here we go. It's just in the big. So I'm gonna cut and my voice is gone, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Bye bye.